possession goes to the 10. Here's number 3, Rika Levin. Theo Vidal on the line, 2 points. Down the one, we need to take over. Here's Vidal, push away. One goal and not inside. The goalie number 6. The leader jersey number 2. Obispo. Here's Obispo. The league number 6. Attacking to the baseline, forcing a shot again. Vidal picks up the rebound. Here's Vidal. Down the pass. Naked. And the ball will stay.
Nasa gitna eh.
Jumbo. Obispo, leading number 6, pass number 15, and breaks the foul. First second again. Second throw by number 15, Daniel Morpan. And out, Bona. Number 18, down this way. Bada boy, Banana Lisa. Here's number 19. The end of the pass to the third. Still, number 18, Vidal. Pass his teammates for the last leg. Agawan ang bola. Ang bola ay mabupunta kay number 21 on the last 2 points. Obispo ang ng bola. Here's Obispo. Almost loses better. Tight got it. And there will be a foul. Paano po rin tawag? Nawa ni Sablolo. Sablay na lang. Number 6. Minutes again. Second 5 Pirani. Here's number 15. Bigay Obispo ang bola. Obispo ang atake. Shot flag. Patong po rin lang. Tawa ni Vidal. Here's Vidal. Taking a good step. Dahil sa number 54 on the last point. Sakla na naman dito ang minaka ng bola. Bigay dito kay number 15. Doper. Naked. Kay number 15 again. Forcing a shot. Miss it. Submission. At minus yung first seven. Second throw. Dua ada tiga. Para yang mau dito. There you go. Running for Melvin. He's on number 4 at the line, Chirikin. Stepping on the line. Second drive by number 10. The time remaining 3 minutes and 15 seconds. 6-2. Shot flag. Good defense by the Batang Bulls. Finally guarded. On that now, the number 20. Here's number 20, pass to number 26. And up to number 5, down, pass to number 24. 30 seconds on the shot clock. Finally guarded by Copito. He's stepping on the line. 38 seconds. At mananatili ang mga dito sa Batang Bulls. Third row number 28, down to number 10, on the last 2 points.
Chicken shop.
Inbound violation. First and 6. Second personal nothing.
Maya!
18 seconds for the first period. First shot ticket.
Na-deliver na pino. P1. Ano yan? Unbreaking na. Out of them.
Second row.
Ko lang yung fries.
Ulang.
Oo, tsaka
Five seconds. lead is down to 3. Another steal on the screen and another one. And the ball goes in is the second for the second period. Beginning number 23 ang bola. Pass on this one. 32, push it up, and there's the foul. Here's the three of number 10, Marty Gordon. Top of the key, nowhere to go. Ball affected, leading number 0, 10 on the shot clock. Still by number 10 on the now. Here's the stop, plays it off. Number 31, and there's the foul. First shot is good. Second throw. Sakaya pa rin. Here's number 10 as he is leading on the field. Pass number 23. Bumping off. Dollar pass. Dollar pass is going. Second 5 PID. Here's the board there. Sangalalo. And the shit. First shot is good.
Left.
Second throw. Para kay Menio. Here's number 4, North over. Looking for Mandaras, under the number 24, Marty Gordon.
go. Sa kanin lang yan. Hindi na ba?
Here's the Dallas left back three, first away. Misfired. On the spin, good defense. Awal din yung isa walo. On the now, Camille. Links it off and links it in. Seconds. Remaining time 17 seconds.
Let's go.
Five seconds. Three quarters. Here's number 28, Salvador Sobrayala. On the now, Bata Push, number 23, Senate, on the last point. The lead is down to 6. Agad na buha ang alamangan nito ng BS. Obispo, bigay ni Salvador, first away, from downtown 3. Raymond Salvador. Still high number 10, Salvador. Lays it off and lays it in. Raymond Salvador.
Nandiyan kayo eh. Kapalitan mga nagyan eh.
Throwing it down at may nasugit na foul, jersey number 0, ng Bata Push.
Number 60 po yun.
Meron.
Marami yan. Hindi. Number
Here's jersey number 2. Hindi na napagawa ng bola. Number 19, Manila. Number 10. Devicente bigay ni Salvador. From downtown 3.
Parang yung solid pala rin sa kaya sa kapit yan. Ito na yan, yung rock to.
Double big boy. Time remaining. Here's the lead ball. Bigay ni Vicente. Vicente, handle. So number 15, turnover. Number 3 ang bola. Here's number 3. Pass to Obispo. Puts it up and there's a foul. Kyle Larsen Obispo.
Ano problema ito? Hindi mo ganun ang problema. Mamaya wala sa doon.
Moralina others. Risto Moralina, first shot is good. Second throw. So play na lang. James Payton. From downtown three. That's it. From downtown three. Ready. Who's fouled? Shot clock at 15.
Ano ay plan match?
Hold it down. From this 21. $35 seconds. 15 on the shot clock. 14. Shot back to set 24 and 3 seconds difference between the shot clock and the game clock. 27 remaining time. $15 seconds. 10 seconds. 5 seconds. Fourth quarter. Raymond Salvador. Jump ball. 11 seconds. Wrong team. Pushing down, try number 31. First person.
Yan! Uy! Wala pang bola.
Ball stolen. Salvador. Damay, holding up again. 12 seconds. Submission. Here's number 23, pass number 9, bumping up, puts it up, again.
Rep.
Down, 3. Long to another, long thing. 2 points.
May tutawan.
First shot again. Second throw.
Hindi lipot yung mga dyan.
Down low. Out there on the shot clock. Pakain Fisher. Version again, ready for the stop. The lead is up to 14. Second free throw para number 3. Here's Moralina. Stolen ball. Steal, Martinez. Rebound, Salvador. Out the ball, number 0 Medina. Pinipitoy, number 4 coming up. Bustamante, going forward the last side attack. Still Bartolomez. Balik ang bola sa batang Bulls. Yes, on the last point. One minute extra. Next game, DS versus Santorino, Under 16 Division. Second try.